Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross back in the building. And if you're looking for a dope VPN, check out NordVPN Plus anti-malware protection, okay? I'll leave my affiliate link down in the description for y'all to check that out. Enjoy threat protection, block trackers and malware. Get 2 years of reliable VPN service for $3.29 a month. Get into it, y'all. Peace.
Would you look at this? SoCal, SoCal, SoCal. Everywhere you go, SoCal.
Yo, what's up, people? This is your friendly neighborhood watch guy, P. Ross in the building, rocking the Omega Geneve on the wrist. But right now, we're going to do an unboxing on this Epos 3435 Versa watch. Epos is a Swiss producer of mechanical watches. All timepieces are designed and manufactured in Switzerland. Epos has made a name for itself as the creator of sophisticated Swiss mechanical movements featuring complex complications. True to its slogan, Epos is performing high-class artistry and watchmaking. And here we go, we're talking about some artistry. Now, at first look, this watch is definitely beautiful. You know, just at first glance, you know what I mean? When you look at a watch and you can see the actual movement on the inside. Now, we're gonna take it off of the pillow, but I wanna talk about the packaging. I feel like the packaging was okay. A lot of times when you get into these pieces like this, packaging is normally not good, but this packaging is okay. I'm feeling this packaging. And sometimes when you do these unboxings, see the plastic around the dial and the case, sometimes that's just a little bit too hard to take off, but they have made it easy access for this to come off, and I love this. Sometimes we get watches, fellas, ladies, we get them, and it's hard to take that plastic off. This is easy access, baby, right here. All right, now let's take a closer look at this dial, and let's take a closer look at this watch in general. First, we're gonna cut off all the tags and everything we don't need. Yo, now we're using our Kershaw knife to cut off all the tags and stuff off of this piece, you know, so we can officially get a closer look at this dial and see actually how beautiful it is. All right, but when we get all this crap off, let's take a look at the buckle, because the buckle is stamped with Epos, you know what I'm saying, which I like that. Now with a closer look, now without giving too much away, the movement is actually backwards as you see it through the glass, with the second hand on the back of the watch, which actually has another function that I'll explain during the actual review. You know what I mean? But the back of the watch is as beautiful as the front of the watch. Winding it feels like butter. You know what I mean? It's a hand wound movement, a United 6497 Epos modified movement. Okay, and we'll get into more of that during the review. You know, semi-skeleton open heart design. You know, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I really like the way they executed this watch. You know, I've never had a watch in my possession that really looked like this, and I'm really feeling the way that it looked, okay? Now, let's try it on the wrist right now. You know what I mean? Looks pretty good. I'm gonna wear it for a few days because I'm not for sure if it's sitting too high up on my wrist due to the thickness, but we gonna check that out as I wear it, and I'll talk about it during the review. So yo, this is your boy P. Ross, and this was the unboxing of this Epos 3435 Versa watch. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We are in the building. Make sure y'all check out the SoCal Watch Reviews podcast, and we out. Peace.